Okay, so we're inside the EcoPod. Looks a little bit strange, the lighting here, because we have a blue tarp over top to keep the sun out as well as the rain. We've had a lot of rain lately, so we need this right now to get the work done. We're just about ready to move the EcoPod inside the factory, and once we have it inside the factory, then that's going to allow us to do away with this blue tarp, so it's going to be a lot better once it's in there, and then we're going to be outside of the rain and outside of all the weather conditions we have to deal with. So right now we're making really nice progress on all the walls. The walls are going up, and these walls here are about 1 meter and 1.2 meters, I think, maybe a little bit more than that. So to the middle line here, to the middle of that line that goes across, and then there's another one on top. So that's about 2.5 or more meters tall, which is a pretty nice height ceiling. A lot of that's going to be window. Now, I'll just move the camera over. Just going to move the camera over here so you can see. This is going to be like the fridge would be right here, and if I get in here, you can see how tall the ceiling is actually going to be. It's quite tall, very tall, more tall than a normal home. We may cut this back a little bit because it's maybe too much, but if you have a roof or a ceiling that's this tall, then it really gives you a big feeling of spaciousness in your home, which I think is something really nice to have in a home. And you'll have windows all the way around, of course, so that makes you it feels like you're in a very big place. You don't feel cramped. And most boats, most yachts and everything, most things on the water, they just feel cramped. This is going to have a very nice big feeling to it, so it's coming along really nice. I'm going to go around to the other side and take a look. All right, so this is the bedroom. There's the bed over here. These frames here are just spacers for where the window is going to be. The window goes all the way around, so this is total panoramic windows. It's going to be amazing. Then on top of that ledge all the way along here, we're going to have a top layer where we'll just go from the top of the window to the ceiling. These windows are 1.6 meters high, so they're really nice and large, and they slide all the way open. So this entire it becomes basically an outdoor room, and you'll have like amazing views from your bed. So this is our bed area. It's a mess. You know, people complain. If you complain about not having your bed made, well, this is like the ultimate bad bed day. It's covered in dirt and equipment and dirty tarps and dust and construction materials. So, but once it's ever all cleaned off, it's going to be amazing because you'll have this view that's the mattress will probably be about this high, and then you will have a really sweet view from bed when you wake up in the morning, so it'll be really nice. Walls, you can see how tall the walls are. Like, they're just massive. Okay, so this is the area where the toilet's going to be. So this is the area where the toilet's going to be. You can see I can almost fit another person above me. That's how tall the ceilings are. And again, we're probably going to cut this back because this is pretty excessive, but it might be an option that we'll offer though, because it really has a nice feeling to it actually. And I like the idea of feeling open and not like you're trapped in a small confined space. So the toilet's going to go here. It's a sink here. Then the shower goes right in here. So the shower heads will be right over here, and yeah, that's it. So we'll keep on giving you these updates, and we'll see things evolve as they come together. But we're pretty close to being ready to just start doing some of the interior work and actually make things start looking to make. We're pretty close to being ready to start making things on the inside look nice, and we're starting to get to the point where we can now do the final finishing on the exterior. Right now the exterior does look a little bit rough. Okay. You can see the bottom edge there has a band around it that's a little bit rough, not so nice right now. So we're going to get some guys in here to work on this and make it a little bit prettier. All right, that's it for today's update. Have a good one.